Yahoo Finance is reporting that Tesla attempts to backtrack with new incentives and discounts as sales plummet, quote unquote, truly pulling all demand levers. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, welcome, and please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up if you like this story, which I'm about to tell you. When many people think of electric vehicles, they think of Tesla. At least that used to be the case until now. However, Tesla's brand image has taken some hits recently as CEO Elon Musk has been active in American and global politics, according to Yahoo, polarizing car buyers who have more options than ever to choose from on a robust EV market. Regarding myself, I want to make clear that I support Elon Musk's works at Dodge, and now he has left the position. According to Yahoo Finance, the first 3 months of 2025 were Tesla's worst quarter since the second quarter of 2022. With dropping sales, Tesla has worked on incentivizing car buyers to buy its vehicles. The perks detailed by Electric include discounts for a variety of car customers, credit opportunities for Lyft drivers, and subsidized interest rates. One commenter noted that the company is truly pulling all demand levers, and that is true. Here's a quote. "I'm being contacted by Tesla representatives asking if I would like to come in and take a test drive, so it appears Tesla advisors are being told to reach out to anyone who showed interest in Tesla in the past," they added. Another person says, "I will say Tesla has improved the quality of the Model 3 and Model Y greatly, and the service is very good in my area. So it saddens me when I think the CEO has done so much, hurt the hardworking Tesla employees globally by his actions with quote-unquote zero accountability. I personally don't understand how Tesla CEO has hurt its employers." Anyway, this all comes in the wake of Tesla benefiting as the sole exemption from a large automotive tariff, since it is the only automaker at this time that meets the required criteria. So it's not an exemption, it is because Tesla is meeting the criteria. Now, ultimately, electric vehicles, regardless of the brand, remain a great choice for someone interested in cutting down on fuel consumption. Electric vehicles are a great choice for environmental purposes. The cars do not emit any pollutants while running and account for less overall pollution when considering other factors. Now, some people may say, yes, but making the batteries, building the batteries pollutes the environment very much. That's true, but you make the batteries only one time and then you don't fill it up every time. Anyway, while some electric vehicle opponents note that mining the materials, like I said, to create the batteries is bad for the environment, the mining processes are getting more efficient now and battery technology is advancing to last longer. It is also less polluting than harvesting dirty fuels. There are also financial benefits to driving an electric vehicle. For one, you can save a lot of money charging your car compared to filling it with fuel at the pump. According to the Southwest Energy Efficiency Project, this could be around $1,000 per year. If you were going to purchase an electric vehicle, which of these following factors would be most important to you? Would be most important to you? Efficiency, performance, or the environmental care? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below, and what you think about Tesla kind of pulling all levers to increase the demands for its vehicles. Do you remember in the past quarters, in the past years, that at the end of each quarter, at the end of the year, Tesla was doing an active push for selling more vehicles? Looks like those times are coming back. I don't know. We'll see how things go. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Visit us at TorqueNews.com for daily automotive news. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report.